portable projector flashlight. Let's begin.
I'm Laylee. I'm Kayla.
And she is Carly.
We are the Harris Sisters. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's open it.
It is cool.
Whoa, what's this? Okay, so we
And
have.
it comes with 12 slides.
We have the big flashlight. This is like a battery for it. We have the instructions. We have like
The 12 slides.
So we already turned it on. How you do this is you take the slide out, then you're gonna push down to the slide in.
And we're gonna show you how it looks. Let's turn the lights off.
Wow! Look at that!
That is so awesome. That's the
It
Easter.
Guys, it looks like a fair. Yeah, fair. And an Easter egg. Like Easter hunt.
Let's try next slide.
So we're gonna take it off and put another slide in. Whoa, Carly!
Oh, this one is Halloween.
Halloween!
That's very cool,
Look,
huh?
Carly wants to touch it.
Next,
Christmas.
Christmas.
Guys, I love Christmas so much because it's my birthday on there. It's December 24th. I hope Christmas comes.
Next.
Oh my gosh.
That is so cool.
Snowflake. It's Elsa for Anna. That's for Elsa.
That is so cute.
And it's a free.
Let's go to the next one.
Next.
Time to turn on. Oh, guess what that is?
It's cream.
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
That is beautiful.
Look at guys, look at it. Wow. I think that is. That's yummy food. Is that mine?
Next.
Wow.
Oh, birthday theme.
No, that's wow. It looks like a movie theater. Yeah,
This is awesome.
wow. It looks like a flashlight when you go to sleep.
Yes.
And if you're not be
This is
scared.
awesome, guys. Start commenting down below which one so far you like the best.
Wow. Whoa,
Which one's that one?
that was dented.
Shopping.
Shopping.
So glamorous. Perfume, shoes, makeup.
I know what you're missing. I shoes.
Awesome. High heels.
This is my favorite.
Next.
Whoa.
Valentine's Day. That is awesome. 4th of July. That's cool. Get to the last.
So, Halloween.
Halloween.
Halloween's scary.
It's awesome. You can put this on your wall outside of your house as well. Point it to your wall. It looks nice.
We can scare Daddy with it.
Another
Santa.
gifts one.
Give one.
Here's one.
It's
It's
Santa.
nice.
It's Santa. So this was our awesome, cool review.
Tell us what you think about it down below. And in the description box, we're going to be putting a code and the website of where you could get, and the code is for you to get a discount on the Harris Sisters.
Meet our new family edition. You guys guess what it is? 1, 2, 3. And his name is King.
Oh, look at him.
He's the king. He's still on the queen chair.
Yes. And stay tuned for the next video because it's
We
going to